Hello, I'm going to talk about rhinoplasty. Rhinoplasty is nose surgery, reshaping of the nose. So we're going to go through different types of nose and see what, as an artist, we look at the nose. Now that's one part of it. The other part is the function of the nose. So we need to see the artistic part and the shape of the nose, and also the function which is for breathing. Now if you see the first set of photos on the top, that gives us a variety of problems in the nostril area, and this is called the ella of the nose in different people. Some may not have aesthetic issues, some may have only aesthetic issues, some may have functional problems as well. If you see at this photo, the aesthetic proportion shows that his tip is smaller as compared to his nostril and this part which is called columella of the nose. And you can see a very wide nostril here. So the aim of surgery here is to improve the proportion, reduce the size of the nostril, improve the proportion, build up some tip lobule here, yet maintain the function of the nose. And you see a different shape here with more of flaring of the ella. Another patient with breathing issues, you can see the collapse of the ella here, where because of previous surgeries or because of previous injuries, the cartilage here is damaged and it doesn't allow the patient to breathe freely in. Here you'll see deviation and asymmetry, which also causes breathing problems in some of the patients, and it is combination of bone, cartilage and the tip. The second set of photos, you see overall different parts of the nose. You see the bone part, you see the soft tissue or the tip, and you see the ella and the nostril of the nose. And you see in each patient they have different sets of problems. Some people have thick skin, some people have very thin skin, some people have symmetrical but more chubby and broad nose, some people have very ill-defined without any aesthetics onto the tip of the nose, some people have very asymmetrical crooked cartilages which shows through the thin skin. So in each one of these, based on what the patient expects, based on his ethnicity, based on his aesthetic requirement and functional requirement, we decide what kind of procedure we do in these. This is a different set of profile view of the nose that shows the length, the height of the nose, the bridge of the nose. So that's the bridge of the nose. That's the relationship between the tip and the columella part of the nose. Again, you will see different bridge height in different people. Some ethnicity requires to have higher bridge, like our Arabic population, which we do not want to compromise. Others would like to have a smaller ski slope type of bridge. Some may have very small bridge and may require enhancement. So that's the bridge of the nose. And if you look down here, relationship between the columella and the tip, and some people the nostril hole opening showing more than others. So you can do work on the cartilage, on the soft tissue to improve these relationship and improve the aesthetics of the nose.